So, hi everyone and welcome to my brand new channel called Ming Weltweit TV. My name is Deja Ming. Originally I'm from Jamaica but now living in Germany with my wife and daughter. Now in this channel we're gonna have a lot of different contents. You will be following me around when I travel. I'll be putting some nice authentic Jamaican recipes. Also I'll be doing some blending videos. I'll be giving you information on how to come to Germany as a tourist or resident. Also we'll be doing a little bit of fruit cutting. So we'll be doing some unboxing videos, we'll be doing some challenges. And we will have a lot more surprises coming, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, share, comment and click the subscribe button.